another shitty day. So let's take some gummies and play Sniffies with my dog. First, pop one of these bad boys to help me calm down after work. Ooh, are you excited? Sniffies is a game that we play where we hide treats all over the house and see if she can find them. Find it. And between watching her and the gummy kicking in, I forgot about my day. Here, find it. What you looking for? There it is. That was too easy. Ooh. There it is. Nice. You already got that one, baby. You want to go again?